Okay, so this is the second Hunger Games recipe, herbed goat cheese bites. The very first thing you want to do is preheat that oven to 350. Get your bread. If you don't have access to a French baguette, which this recipe actually calls for, get a French roll and cut it up like this. And then arrange them on a baking sheet, like so. And then you're going to drizzle the bread with some olive oil. And then set that aside. Get some tomatoes, cut them up like that, and then put them in the oven for about 15 minutes. And then when they're done, you can put the bread in for 5 minutes, and then it looks like this. Then you get your mint. You can either cut it up or rip them up. And then you get your feta. Wait a minute, hold on a second. Actually, this recipe is all wrong. Feta cheese? Feta? This is not what you need. I obviously needed some goat cheese, but didn't have access to it. So you can go ahead and sue me after you watch this video, and we'll move forward from there. Anyway, once you've lightly toasted the bread, you're going to put the feta cheese on it like that. Then you're going to put your herbs, put your parsley, some mint leaves, and then your tomatoes, and then you're pretty much ready to start tasting. In fact, I think I'll have one now. The final verdict, very good. With that, you have officially been initiated.